All welcome friends on my channel. In general, friends, in this video we have a review. Project Spot On. Chain Spot On Chain is an analytical platform that assembles its chain data and allows to obtain them in real time, friends. Now the project provides an opportunity to collect and have their points inside our office. Friends, in general is something like ACA, yes, where there was also an analyst to me, did one account and received simply without referrals per account more than $100. In the drop here, friends, are like functions like aha, we're here, visor, lobas, alerts, signals, and principal. Some features, friends, paid, so use free features. Fly in a parcel attached. Top comments, friends, your wallet. MetaMask there, in my opinion, 2 or 3 times. You will need to make a signature. Friends, of the nickname here is like this here. Strip as credit account, click here. And then, friends, we have daily in principle. There's a mission, here's Delon giving us one. Let's push it every day. Here are, then friends, here are some. Here and have dates, Telegram plus 10 points. Update avatar of some photo. Add here to give plus 10 points and more. Points are given by friends for what you are. Install and confirm the email will fill us up. For that plus 30 points overall, friends. This is the interesting topic from SP. So it, by the way, can be installed already. App on the phone. For this we too will receive points. Somewhere I'm here. Here we go on Google Play. See, here we go under the same data that were done here in the registration and us. Here's another for this embankment plus 20 points. Also this attachment set and will be in principle E. Enjoy is called So Friend. On these features here, unfortunately, we have paid. By the way, enter here, create. Anyone click on the plus. Name, select color, create some. Friends, in general like this here, only free, but in others. Here you can see the dress. Degi, for instance, see already $15. Will be necessary. Pay, so here we still have. There can be done top pay in. In principle, here you click I. Chose for $500 can give immediately. 60,000 points you have to pay for everything. Friends, if you want a button here, top up, press there, various kinds. Points. For $500 for 100 there. Even more and you get in principle. At once many points here button. Top up, click see basic P. $20 will give you 2,000 points. $50 starter plan will give you 5,500. Thousands of points for $100 you will get 11,500 of these points, and so on. Here we go. This steep eat will give 260,000 points. I think then these points will give some tokens their project and we can make money off of it, so it makes sense to buy these points because the more chances there are, more tokens or projects, and we can get more money. So friends, also interesting, Timka paid. If you want to use pay, take a lot of chances. Project all friends, link in. Reserved comment, go. Make the registration, accept my FD if he will ask you to register. Accept son, this business get pregnant T. Wallet, sign the whole thing and go through the available free activities. If want to buy yourself points, and you can. Then when he hands out the project drop. More to embed money in general like this. Here are friends theme on the Project Spot On CHN. Thank you all for attention. All so far.